Hello friends, fellow RVers. Getting ready to go on another job, and was cleaning out, reorganizing my front storage. And you know, we all often fight a dilemma about tool storage and other storage options, and I just thought I might share with y'all how or the system I came up with to eliminate some of those storage issues, especially when it comes to tools. I started out with like a box, like a little plastic tote, throw some tools in there. Every time I needed something, I was having to rummage through, find what I was needing, and most of the time it was down in the bottom, so I had to take everything out and then put everything back, so it was a little bit of a hassle. So I repurposed some little plastic drawers like what you get at Walmart or any local store like that. But anyway, so I thought I'd just show you the system I came up with, and actually works pretty well. I was scared I was gonna have to like anchor them to attach them to the floor of the trailer, and actually they ride fairly well. I've used these a couple of trips like this, and because I wanted to test them out before I actually done a video and showed them. So anyway, this is what I came up with. Oh no, y'all can't see. All right, so I got two big totes here up top, and then I've got on the bottom, it's just 3 drawers, and I'm trying to open it, you know, just 3 drawers. Put the heavy stuff on the bottom naturally, and just everything else worked its way up to the top. But anyway, this is working for me for right now, and like I said, we didn't have to attach it to the trailer. That's one of the things I was worried about, because I didn't want to do that. So when it comes time to clean the belly, you can actually slide them around a little bit, vacuum up under them, push them back where they belong, and works fairly well. All right, y'all have a good one. Hey, if y'all don't mind, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. We do have a bunch of shorts coming up. We've got some motorcycle riding videos that we've done. But like I said, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and if y'all have any suggestions for videos that y'all would like to see us do, anything that you'd like to hear us talk about or maybe show, just leave it in the comments, and we'll see about getting to it. Love you guys. Bye.